Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Google account that WhatsApp used to upload backups. This matters because Drive ties backups to that account. Once done, open Drive. Google, com in a desktop browser and sign into the exact account. Make sure you use the same phone number in WhatsApp. Backups are linked to both account and number. Now navigate to Storage or Settings in Drive where Hidden App Backups live, so you can locate WhatsApp entries without restoring yet. Once in Drive, go to Settings then Manage Apps to reveal app-specific backups. Google hides them from My Drive. You'll see a WhatsApp or WhatsApp Messenger listing. Inspect its details to confirm size and last backup date so you know which file is current. You can't directly download chat contents from Drive. Instead, Drive stores encrypted backup metadata. Make sure to record the backup date, then prepare your phone for a restore if you need message content. To actually view chats, you must reinstall or verify WhatsApp on your phone and choose Restore when prompted. Drive provides the encrypted backup to WhatsApp only. If Drive shows no WhatsApp entry, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that WhatsApp's backup has run recently. If issues persist, sync the Google account, check Drive app permissions, and ensure your phone has internet and enough space. This resolves most restore and visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.